Hello, how are you? Today I am going to explain the installation and configuration of a very useful tool, especially if you work in a team, the code formatter for Kotlin. The importance of this software is that with a single command you can format the code of the all files of the project. Here we have the plugin for Gradle. We are going to install in the project with Gradle. Go to the configuration file and add this code. In the plugin sections we also have these other configurations and we are going to paste in the end of file. Okay, in this section we have two options: formatter with a Google style and Kotlin style. We are going to try Google style. Go to the terminal and run gradle task. We can look at the command and run gradle ktfmt format. Wait a few seconds and go to the project to check the files. Open the file. We can see that the tabulation is with two spaces, and if API the Kotlin style, go to the terminal, run the command formatter, wait a few seconds and go to the code. We have 4 spaces for tabulation. Then we have two formats, Google style and Kotlin style. Now go to the plugin sections, go to the marketplace and find ktfmt. Install the plugin. OK. Enable for these projects. And here shows the options. Go to the File, Settings, Editor, ktfmt settings, and choose, for example, Google format. OK. We have 4 spaces in the tab, and go to the menu, Code, Reformat Code, and Format with tab with 2 spaces. That is all. Goodbye.